And here is my Island-Style Tilapia with yellow rice.
Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, I'm going to be making my Island-Style Tilapia with yellow rice. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, my vegetables that I'm going to be using is red bell pepper, green bell pepper, an onion, and garlic. Okay, guys, I am chopping up some garlic. That's the first thing I'm going to do is chop up my garlic. Okay, I'm chopping up some bell pepper. Okay, and here is my red bell pepper. This is kind of like a orange and a red bell pepper together, so I'm getting a little bit of both flavors. This is a white onion that I've already started chopping down, and I'm cutting these into dices. Okay, I've got my pan getting hot. We're going to add about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Okay, I've got my garlic in here. You can use about a clove of your choice, but I'm going to be making lots of rice with that garlic. Red bell peppers going in. I'm going to mix that up with my red bell pepper here. Then we're going to be adding the green bell pepper, because those two things really need to start cooking here. There we go. We don't want to forget about that onion. All those 3 things there that I put in there, we're going to mix all that up. Hey guys, guess what? Be sure to season. Season blend is out. It is out right now, and you can purchase this anytime. This is a wonderful season. It's good season. It goes on everything. It goes on fish. It goes on pork. It goes on beef, chicken. Oh, it's wonderful. Don't forget your salads. Salads like potato salad. Oh, it's great in there. Don't forget your pastas. Your pasta salad. This can go on everything. Don't forget, guys, it's salt free. And don't forget to visit www.besuretocook.com to hook yourself up with Be Sure to seasoning blend. Okay, it's very easy to open. It's got a tab. This is a big, humongous bottle. This will last you probably at least 6 or 7 months. It depends on how you're cooking. It'll last you for a long time. You probably can even share some with your friends just to get them to try it. I'm going to add a little bit in here to my vegetables. Let's season it up. Look how easy that is to pour. Just a little bit of that, because this is some good stuff here. And we're going to mix this up and get those flavors into that. All of my vegetables while they're cooking. We're going to turn this up and we're going to let this pop. Now, if you like salt, you can add salt to this, but guess what? You can control your own salt. I'm not controlling it for you, and I'm not telling you how much to put into your food. You can put whatever you want to, but guess what? It's not in there. So you can control your own salt. Some seasons have so much salt in them, you'd be like, oh my God, this is so much salt. See, this has no salt. So if you want to put salt in it, you can control your own salt. Okay, this is a can of black beans. Then I have a can of seasoned tomatoes. Okay, I've got some yellow rice here. It's already got like a seasoned yellow rice. I'm just going to plop this seasoned. Ooh, look at that season. Oh, yellow rice in there. And I'm just going to mix this all together. Okay, I'm adding 1.5 cups of low sodium chicken broth. And I'm going to cook this rice and make sure all that rice is at the bottom. I'm cooking it in one big pan. Okay, I'm going to put a top on here and I'm going to let this simmer. Okay, I've got some tilapia here, a little olive oil on top of them. So we're going to be using Be Sure to Season blend. Once again, open up this top here and I'm going to show you it goes on everything. Look at that. We're going to put that on top. Just sprinkle a little bit of that on. This is a really good season. We got 2 more that we're going to do. And we're going to put this and we're going to show you. We're going to make a sauce that goes on top of these. Once these get baked, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, as this rice starts coming up, look like it's getting ready to get done, but it's not. We're going to add those seasoned tomatoes in there. And we're going to Make sure all these tomatoes get evenly in there, and I'm getting a tomato everywhere. Okay, I took the pan off the stove. I've sprayed this pan with non-stick spray. Spray your pan because it's always good to spray your pan so it doesn't stick. Okay, then I'm going to take my fish. I'm going to put it on top because it's going back into the oven. We can probably get 3 big pieces in here. Little pan, it's okay. Yeah, 3 would be wonderful. Okay, 350-degree oven. The rice is still going to cook. That fish is going to cook with that rice. And guess what, guys? We're going to make our sauce. A quick way to make Hollandaise sauce is getting some Knorrs, and it's in a pack, and you can make it's a mix that you can get. Open up that, follow the instructions. All you're going to need is milk and butter. And I'm going to put the pack in here because I only need a small amount. Instead of going through all that, making it all homemade, nowadays you can just cut corners a little bit and get the sauces that you need. It's easier. Or if you want to do them homemade, you can do that too. Okay, we have taken this out of the oven, and this is, I'm going to lift some of this up, this fish here with the rice at the bottom, and we're going to plate this. Wow. Alrighty. And then I'm stirring my Hollandaise sauce, and then what I do is I just drizzle the Hollandaise sauce right over the fish, giving it that wonderful flair. And here is my Island-Style Tilapia with yellow rice. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it with you, because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together, and we can do plenty more. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, and don't forget guys, don't forget what made this dish really pop. My Be Sure to Season Blend seasoning mix. So come and get it, try it, and I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. If you make this dish, you're gonna love it, and any other dish after that, you're gonna love it. It's on poultry, pork, everything that you can think of, even cold and hot salads. See you next time. Bye.